Did you know that some of the best Roblox players in the world have completely disappeared? It all started with a game called Operation Cypher. This wasn't your normal Roblox game. It had puzzles so hard that only the smartest players could solve them. Winners got special badges and secret servers with even harder challenges. But here's where it gets scary. A curious player noticed something weird. The puzzles weren't just games, they were tests. Tests for your brain. The game was looking for kids who were really good at finding patterns, leading teams, and making good choices under pressure. After digging deeper, the player found out the truth. A secret company was running Operation Cypher. They were using it to find super smart gamers and recruit them for real jobs. Jobs solving big problems in the real world. The scariest part? Famous pro gamers who reached the highest levels started vanishing. No one knows where they went. Some say they're working for the government now. Others think something much worse happened to them. The question is, would you play Operation Cypher if you found it?